Good morning, students. Today I will explain the question answers of class 7th, the chapter number 2, the regional kingdoms. The explanation of this chapter I explained in our previous videos. So let's see the question answer. Firstly, very short question answer. Question number first. Who defeated Muhammad Ghori in 1191 AD? The answer is Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori in 1191 AD. In the place of who the word Prithviraj Chauhan was placed. Question number second. Who founded Vikramshila University? The answer is Dharmpal, the Pala ruler, founded Vikramshila University. Question number third. Which part of India was controlled by Pala rulers? Which part of India was controlled by the Pala rulers? So answer is eastern part of India. Eastern part, which part? It means Bihar and Bengal was controlled by the Pala rulers. Question number fourth. Which dynasties were involved in the tripartite struggle? The answer is the Palas, Pratiharas and Rashtrakutas were involved in the tripartite struggle. Question number 5th. Who was the founder of the Chola dynasty? The answer is Vijayalaya. In the place of who the word Vijayalaya placed was the founder of the Chola dynasty. Question number 6. Which Rajput dynasty founded the city of Dhlika, today's Delhi? The answer is Tomars. It means Tomar dynasty. It means Tomar Rajput dynasty founded the city of Dhlika, today's Delhi. Next, our next questions are short question answers. Question number first. Briefly explain Prashastis. Prashastis were written by the Brahmanas to praise and glorify the qualities of the kings, especially the military achievements. Question number second. Enlist various reasons that caused the downfall of the Rajput kingdoms. The answer is first, the different Rajput clans were busy fighting with each other. Second, a lot of resources and energy were wasted. Question number third. Which system for revenue collection was followed in Chola period? The Cholas collected land revenue in cash and kind. It was collected by the village assemblies. Other resources were from duties and toll tax. Question number 4th. Why did the Indian rulers fight over Kannauj? Kannauj was considered as the symbol of power and glory. By controlling Kannauj, rich resources of the Gangetic Valley and trade rights could be controlled. So, you can add this line also. So, the Indian rulers fighted over Kannauj. So, these are question answers enough for today. All the students write these question answers on your notebook. Till then, Sudhiti Naman.